Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Crypto Investment Flash. As you can see on my screen, guys, I have a total balance of 19 TRX that I want to make the live withdrawal on this video. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say, guys. I want to make a live withdrawal on this video of this 19.3 TRX directly into my Faucet Pay wallet. And today, let me show you the date. Today is on the 17th of January, so it's not be like a scam or something like that. So firstly, let me go and show you my Faucet Pay wallet, and now you see that I've not received any transaction of any kind today. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So as you can see, my transaction that I received is zero. I've not received anything today. Zero. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. And let me show you my history. Can you see the history? The one that I received last was a referral payment of on 16th of January. So what I'm going to do now is I'll head over to the website and go and make the live withdrawal, and after that I'll show you how you too can make the withdrawal and get this free TRX 19 TRX all for yourself. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. If you have not received any payment before online, any free TRX online before, this is your first time, so you have to listen to every instruction that I gonna give you on this video. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say, so that you too go out there and go and make your first TRX online. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So you can also watch my videos, my playlist all about free TRX. So let me go ahead with the withdrawal. So the first thing I'm going to do right now is to click on this this three buttons over here, guys. See these three buttons. So let me click on it. After that, you see what we call withdrawal. Hope you understand withdrawal. So I'll click on the withdrawal button. After that, this page will open up. After that, I said you must need the Faucet Pay account. If you don't have any Faucet Pay wallet, I'll leave the link in the description below to go and get your Faucet Pay wallet. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So the minimum withdrawal is 0.25 TRX only, not 1 TRX. So you can get TRX instantly from this website. 0.5 TRX, a daily TRX. So it's a good news. Now if you withdraw 1.5 or more, you get 10% bonus. So we suggest all our users withdraw more than blah, blah, blah. So I'll click on TRX. Hope you understand, because TRX is the choice of my withdrawal. So I'll click that I am not a robot. Hope you understand. And then next I will click on this withdrawal button over here. Can you see? So I'll click on the withdrawal button. So meanwhile, let us wait. Let me go and check my Faucet Pay wallet whether the withdrawal has arrived. But before that, guys, let me take over to my channel. If this is your first time, guys, of coming to my channel, please subscribe to this channel. Please help this channel grow. I have so many wonderful content for you, your friends and family, to get those free cryptocurrency. You can check it below. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. You can also share my videos with your friends. Raven coin, how to get Raven coin, Shiba Inu, USDT, different miners. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say, guys. So you being done with that, so let's go and check the Faucet Pay wallet whether the payment has arrived. But guys, the payment has not arrived, so maybe network issue. So let me pause this video and we'll be back when the payment arrives. Remember, it's on the 17th that I'm making this finally guys, the TRX has arrived. Can you see? And this is still on the 17th, guys. I demanded for 19 TRX and we got 20 TRX. Hope you see what I'm trying to say, guys. See what I'm trying to say? 20 TRX. So this website, you can be paid instantly. It didn't take like up to 5 minutes. I was paid this 20 TRX. Hope you understand. Immediately into my Faucet Pay wallet. So I will leave a link to this website, in the description below, and you get your ever first TRX. So let me take you back to the website, guys. All you have to do is just to click on these 3 buttons. When you use the link in the description below to sign up, then you go down. You can watch ads, PTC ad, or do some faucet. I just completed some faucet right now, so faucet is ready. Time left is ready, so I just click on I am not a robot, and you can see my current balance. I have 0.3 TRX which I can withdraw, and I have another one called so this is the last verification. Is this star, so get reward. Can you see now? Okay, invalid anti-bot. The bot was not valid. So guys, you can come here yourself and do it by yourself, and you get paid instantly, guys. So don't let me waste your time. Okay, let me do the bot again. Yeah, can you see? So it says silver, and I click on get reward now. So guys, he said they are what, I don't know what's happening. I may do the network, but you can come here and do it yourself. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So I'll leave the link to the website, but I have the 0.3 after I withdrew the 19 TRX. Hope you understand. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. God bless you.